live. Yes, hello guys. Tayo lang natin pumasok yung iba. Ayan. Hello Melanie, how are you? Hi Erit, Caramel Macchiato, Just Nietzsche. Ayan, how are you guys? Good afternoon, kamusta? Ayan na nga. Thank you so much for joining. Yes, just comment down below. Hi, Jasmika. Hi, Marie18. Hello. Hi, Karil. Ayan na nga. Thank you, guys. Thank you. If you can share our live stream. Ay, Mama Barda. Dito pa tayo nagkita, Mama Barda. Ayan. Thank you so much. Ayan. So, for today lang naman, I just want to invite everyone sa upcoming movie namin with Direk Joel Ferrer. Hi, Kuya Jim! Hi, Ma! Yes, it is named Fruit Cake. Yes, nakita nyo na to sa stories ko before. Kaya, ayun. So, ngayon, syempre sana napanood nyo guys. Nasa Instagram reel ko to. Hi, Gab! Yung trailer namin ng Fruit Cake. Nakita nyo nga, R16 siya, if I'm right. O, diba? Ano naman thoughts nyo dun sa pa-R16? Actually, first time kong magkakaroon na R16 na movie. First time kong mapapasama sa gantong R16 na rated. Kaya naman, what are your thoughts? Nakita nyo na ba? Napanood nyo na? Ayan. Hi, Nigel. Thank you. Hi, Unikat Iha. Ay, thank you. May nakapansin sa long hair ko. Ayun na nga. So, if you guys haven't watched it yet sa reels namin, I think almost all of us posted it. Like, Ate Kyla, oo nga, diba? From, ang dami na namin pinagsamahan na shows. So, ayun. Here's a Fruit Cake. Ako po si Stacy. The girl who loves purple. Kung nakita niyo sa outfit ko, diba? Talagang purple on purple siya. And, ayun, parang ako lang naman. First time ko din yung gantong role, actually. Kasi bakit ganun? Lagi akong mahirap sa mga roles ko. Dito lang yung medyo ang ganda ng role ko dito, guys. Oo. Tapos sa university ko, ayos na ayos ako for the first time. Kasi yung last show ko, diba? Nagbebenta, nagla-live selling sa Binondo. Kaya medyo walang ayos palagi. Kasi busy kaming magtrabaho. So, dito naman, parang may kaya-kaya po si Stacy dito. Thank you, guys. Thank you. May level up na po ang mga characters ko. Ayan. Naniss nyo ba si Kuya, Big Brother? Ayan, thank you so much sa mga nag-audition. Then, Rich Kid siya, sabi ni Kariel. Oo nga, may pagka-rich kid ako dun, guys. Oo. So, nakita niya sa eksena, kasama ko sila KD. Madami kami dito. Kaya, very exciting siya kasi it's a new type of movie na parang may pagka-westernize siya, yung madaming characters, pero at the end, magkoko-connect sila. Kasi, di ba, in life, ganun naman talaga. Like, hindi mo alam yung mga nakadaanan mo, mga naka-interact mo sa tindahan, sa coffee shop, sa train, sa bus, di ba? Or talagang nag-pass by lang kayo. Yung pala, mag-meet kayo in the end, may connections pala, di ba? Oh, Kel, congrats, well-deserved. Thank you so much. And good luck sa movie niyong Fruit Cake sa June 12. Rose! Very informed siya. Thank you so much, Rose. Ikaw na lang kaya dito, Chares. I love you, Rose. Thank you so much for supporting our movie, Fruit Cake. Ayan. And actually, pati yung song namin, related siya with our movie title, Fruit Cake. Oo, hindi na ako kakanta, guys. O baka umulan pa, so nakakaya naman. Ayan. Hello, Nadine. But thank you. And, ayun na nga, speaking of Stacy, balik tayo sa topic. Si Stacy, hindi naman siya super mean girl. Ganun lang yung nag-give off niyang vibes. Pero, all in all, mabait naman siya. Oo. Wala naman siyang binubully. Hindi pa tayo dumadating sa ganung point. Sa word pa lang na fruitcake, mukhang ang ganda na ng movie, sabi ni Chen. Oh, thank you so much. Oo, guys, promise sa inyo. So, parang ito kasi, ultimate barkada movie siya. So, I think best if you guys invite your friends, your loved ones, your coworkers. Very lang siya, chill para sa akin. Kasi ngayon, di ba parang nakaka-stress na yung mga pangyayari in life. So, I think we need a movie na pampa-relax naman. Parang happy lang, nakakatawa, di ba? And more of barkada, kasama yung friends. So, I think here, mabibring back kayo into your university days. So, your mga high school friends, yung mga ganon, di ba? And, makakapag-relax kayo. So, kakaibang movie to, guys. Karina, notice mo ko. Ay, hello, Ricky. Grabe, Rain. Wow. Hi, Kuya Ed. Ayan. So, abangan nyo po ang mga characters na lalabas dyan, starring Heaven and Joshua Garcia. Kasama namin yung dalawang yan. And actually, natuwa ako kasi hindi ko rin naman sila masyadong kasama sa mga ibang scenes ko. Pero when I saw the trailer, sobrang interesting niya. Tapos pati sila Marcos, di ba? Kasama ko rin siya sa dating teleserye namin. So, ibang-iba, di ba? Tapos, I think this is gonna be a bold but funny movie na is perfect for like, you know, day dates, morning dates. Ayun. And this is my first time also in a movie in cinemas. Kaya, thank you so much. I hope you guys support it. And, ayun na nga, speaking of support, guys, I hope to see you sa aming mga mall shows. Sa June 8 po, nasa Vista Mall, Taguig kami. Vista Mall, Taguig, June 8. So, yung mga malapit po dyan, mga taga-Taguig, pwede po kayong bumisita on June 8 sa Vista Mall. And June 9 naman po ay nasa SM Novaliches kami and SM East Ortigas. So, nasa dalawang malls po kami. So, ayun, kasi gusto talaga namin kayong mapuntahan lahat. So, meron kami sa Novaliches and East Ortigas sa SM on June 9. And June 11 naman, guys, ay premiere night po namin sa Trinoma. Oo, sana po makapunta kayo. Alam kong may stopover yan sa aking train. Baka pwede nyo kaming daanan. Oo. And, ayun na nga, June 12 naman po is, premiere na namin sa cinemas nationwide. So, pwede po kayong manood. Yes, cinema. June 12. Hi! Ay, grabe. I miss you too. And this is directed by Direk Joel Ferrer. And what's nice about this, I think, kasi Direk Joel, iba yung vision niya. Very creative and out of the world. Na as a compliment. Kasi nakatrabaho ko na rin siya sa isang online series during the pandemic. And I guess ganun talaga siya. Yung pagdadirect niya, very collaborative. He allows us actors na to move around the set. Madaming nagtatanong, nasan daw po ako? Nandito lang ako, guys. Ayan, sa Vista Mall Taguig, June 8. Wow, nandun ako. Ayan. Thank you. Hello, Sir Jello. Ayan. Sa San Fernando Police Station of Pampanga. Hello to you and your colleagues over there. Maraming salamat po. And if you guys have some questions, you guys can comment it down below. Babasahin ko. Ang ganda-ganda mo, Buji. Thank you so much po. Kanina ka pa ba naka-live? Hindi naman. Mga 9 minutes pa lang naman. So, ayun na nga. And, alam niyo ba? I-shout out ko kung sino ang makakapagbigay ng linya na sinabi ni Stacy sa ating trailer. Kung napanood nyo, siya yung, di ba lumapit siya, tapos may tinatanong siya sa dalawang boys. So, ayan, i-comment nyo below para mabasa ko. And if you guys haven't watched it yet, kung may mga other devices pa kayo, pwede nyo panoorin ngayon. Nasa Reels ko to, na-post ko to. And it's also under Cornerstone's Reels and Create Cinemas Reels. Ayan. So, please watch, guys. Yes. Alam nyo, dream ko talaga na maging Stacy in life. Parang very unhinged siya, no? Yes. Thank you, Stephen. And I love it how she's like, yung naglalakad siya, may pa-hair flip pa siya. I love the personality. She's so, gusto ko yung last name ko sa last series ko, Bougie. So, Stacy here is bougie. As in the description term. So, very well put together siya. Very, malakas ang personality ni Stacy. And I'm also so excited kasi dito sa movie na to, may never been seen before kayong eksena na makukuha. As in, guys, sobrang exciting to. Oo. Diba? Kasi, ano nga ba yung tinanong ni Stacy? Hindi ko pa nakakasagot nun. Yung tinanong ni Stacy sa dalawang boys, ano bang hinihingi niya, guys? And connected yun dun sa scene na sinasabi ko na never been seen before. Oo. Grabe, nawindang ako dito, guys. Hindi ko talaga alam na, kung anong mangyayari talaga. So, buti na lang nandyan si Direk Joel to guide me. Ganon. Actually, pag once lumabas tong movie na to, ipopost ko sa Instagram ko. Ayan! Sabi ni Divine. So, Divine Mikala Nebria. Do you guys have some too? Yes! That's it. Divine. I love your name as well. Ayun na nga yung hinihingi ni Stacy, diba? Very, liberated si Stacy natin. Hi, Roderick from Arizona, USA. Ayan, maraming salamat po. And may mga from Luxembourg. So, is this po nationwide in the Philippines? Etong fruitcake. So, if you guys want to invite, even though you're from Luxembourg or like Australia, in the Philippines, you can tell your family members. Buti na lang English era si Stacy here. Nakakaloka. Karina can't relate. Ayan. Thank you, Yaz. Harvey, thank you so much as well. Ano bang sinabi mo dun kay Censored? April MMR. Ayun na nga, April. I can't believe I asked that as well. Pero as characters, diba? You shall not judge your characters. Once again, guys, thank you so much for joining in and tuning in into our live. If you still haven't seen our trailer, it's on Create Cinema, it's on Cornerstone's Instagram, as well as me and other my co-actors. So, you can always rewatch it there and share it. And, ayun, sana guys, makapunta kayo on June 8, nasa Vista Mall Taguig kami. June 9, SM Novaliches and SM East Ortigas. June 11 naman ay nasa Trinoma kami for our premiere night. And June 12 is showing na kami in cinemas nationwide. Hi, Julian! So, this is directed by Direk Joel Ferrer. And if you guys have time, ayan, pwede kayong manood. Thank you so much. And of course, tag us kung anong feel nyo about the movie. If you guys liked it. If you guys had various reactions. Mga opinions nyo about the movie. We would love to know. Just tag us, share us, tweet it. And soon maglalabas rin kami ng mga hashtags. So, just stay tuned for our announcements. And of course, please follow us in our social media accounts, from Create Cinemas to Cornerstone to my social media. Thank you guys so much. And ayun na nga, this fruitcake is the Barkada movie of the year or of 2024 kasi it's a story about friends coming together, meeting, na parang from unknown people, from strangers na hindi talaga magkakakilala. At the end, parang magkikita-kita sila. Very strange, but actually true, diba, in life. So, ganun. Abangan natin kung paanong magkoconnect-connect yung mga characters namin, kung paano kami dadalhin together ng kwentong to. I'm so excited to share it with you guys. And, ayun nga, I'm so excited to share Stacy as well. Actually, nung una kong binasa si Stacy, parang very, nervous talaga ako kasi, although hindi nga kasi siya mean girl, pero she's a popular girl, I must say. Kaya people look up to her, kinikilig yung mga boys sa kanya. She has that kind of power and feeling ko, sabi ko, oh no, baka mahirapan akong i-embody to. Pero, ayun nga, so far, I hope you guys can see it sa aming movie. And, yun, yun nga, our song is Fruitcake. Life is a piece of cake. Kasama yun dun sa song namin. So, parang it gives lightness to our life right now, diba? So, if you guys want to listen to our music rin, ayan, nasa trailer yan. You can listen to our main song, The Fruitcake. So, parang dun madedescribe na rin and you'll get an idea of how it's gonna turn out, kung ano ba ang kwentong to, what's it about. Ayun. So, thank you guys so much. Ayan. Kayo ba? Stacy ba kayo in your lives? Sino dito ang mga popular nung high school or nung college sila? I will read your comments. Are you guys like Stacy? Hindi ako Stacy noon. Athletic lang ako, pero hindi ako Stacy. Siguro naging Stacy din ako at some point nung nag-join ako sa pageants. Tapos, yeah, I think that's it. Pero end of the year ko na yun sa high school, nung naging Stacy ako in school. Pero hindi ako nanghihingi ng ganon. Nanonood yung mom ko. Hi mom, what do you think? Did you like the trailer? Oo, yun anak mo, si Stacy, may hinihingi. Anyways, this is R16. So if you're 16 and above, you guys can watch it together. Ayan. So, it's probably like mga senior high school to college. Ayan, pwede kayo manood. And of course, everyone. Pero for sure, makaka-relate dito ang mga students natin. Hi, Kim! Ayan. Thank you also sa aking mga supporters who keep restoring it, diba? Nakikita ko yung mga stories ninyo. Nire-repost nila. Thank you so much, guys. And mamaya pala, nasa TV Patrol Express po ako. So, abangan nyo po ako there. May mga ihatid na balita sa inyo si Stacy. Yes! So, I'm very nervous for that. It's my first time delivering news. Oh my God. Ayan. So, thank you guys. Please do keep resharing our trailer. And what do you guys think of the manok in the trailer? The manok. Diba? Kasi si Joshua may hawak na manok. Ayan. Thank you guys. Trust them. Hello. Good evening. Kumusta kayo? Good luck later sa TV Patrol, sabi ni Mikay. Thank you so much. Yes, abangan nyo ang news na yon. And of course, ang mga announcements about Fruitcake once again. So, we will be, posting yan. So, para hindi nyo makalimutan. Hi, Ate Trins! Galing ka ba sa... Yes, I'm from PBB. Good afternoon pa. Ano daw yun? Hi, Ateya. Hi, Yuri. Ayan na nga. So, I hope you guys can visit our more shows. And, yan. I'll be with my other co-artists, co-stars there. And syempre with our director, Direct Joel. So, I wanna say thank you also to Direct Joel for having me. Grabe. And dito, meron akong isang ginawang eksena na hindi nakalagay sa script. Sinabi ko lang kay Direct Joel na, Direct, tatalon ko na ba to? Sabi niya, sige, kahit anong gusto mo. Actually, akala ko, hindi ko naman na-expect na isasali niya yun. Sabi ko, nagkita kami sa sinihan ng promotion ng one movie. Tapos, nanonood kaming dalawa, magkaharap pala kami, hindi namin nakikita yung isa't isa. Sabi ko, Direct, sinali mo ba yun? Tapos sabi ko, okay lang, kahit huwag mo na isali na, kasi hindi naman siya talaga nakalagay. Tapos sabi niya, uy, ano ka ba? Siyempre sinali ko yun. Sayang naman effort mo. So guys, malalaman niyo kung anong effort to. Talaga namang umuwi akong sisiw. Yes, oo. As in, refreshing ang pag-uwi ko. And wala akong dinalang gamit. So, hindi ako nakapag-prepare kasi hindi talaga siya kasama sa eksena. So, ayun, talagang nabigla ang lahat. Pati ata mga cameramen na bigla sila. So, ayun. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me. And ayun, once again, magkita-kita po tayo. And I hope you would like our movie, Fruitcake, the best barkada movie of 2024. Oo, alam ko, exciting, right, Kim? Thank you, thank you. Ayan, bago ako magtapos, I just wanna, reiterate lang. June 8, Vista Mall Taguig. June 9, SM Novaliches and SM East Ortigas. June 11, premiere night namin po sa Trinoma. And, of course, June 12, ito po ang pinakamalaga. June 12 po ay nasa sinehan na po kami nationwide. Ayan, directed by Direk Joel Ferrer. This is Stacy. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. And have a good night, good evening. Goodbye. Wow. See you at TV Patrol.